Hi friends, welcome to my channel Code GP. I hope you are doing well. In this video, let's learn about interrupting a thread in Java. Okay, so let's proceed, friends. Here I do have one class with name thread interrupt example. So create and start a new thread here. So let's do write code for that. Name of the class I am taking thread class. Write the name of the class thread and instance my thread equal to new thread. Use the lambda expression. I'm using the lambda expression, lambda operator, lambda body. Okay. Now add one while loop here. I'm adding one while loop here. While thread dot current thread dot current thread dot is interrupted. All the method is interrupted. Okay. which will print thread is running, thread is running. Okay, so stop, save the code. Now use one try and catch block here. Right code, sorry, try and catch. Okay, try thread dot slip the thread for 1 second, and which will catch the interrupted exception E. Okay, sorry, I have added this wrong. Added this before curly bracket. Okay, fine friends. Handle the interruption and break off out of the loop. Okay, so do write code for that. Thread interrupted exiting, which will print the message thread interrupted. Thread interrupt thread interrupted. Okay, exiting gracefully. Exiting gracefully. Fine friends. Save the code. Okay, now let's use the start method on instance my thread dot start. Fine. Save the code again. Now again take one try and catch block here. Try thread dot sleep for 5 seconds. Okay. And my call the method my interrupt on the instance my thread. Fine, friends. Save the code. Now let's take catch block. Call the method interrupted. Sorry, not interrupted exception E, which will call catch interrupted exception E. Now call the method on instance E, which is print stack trace, and save our code. So friends, we have done with our code part. Now let's understand the each line of code. Let's break down the code step by step. Okay. So here we create a new thread using the thread class and provide a lambda expression to define the logic of the define the logic of the thread. Okay. The thread runs in a loop until it is interrupted. Okay. The thread will runs in a loop. This is while loop we have defined here. It will run in this while using this while loop and till it is interrupted. Okay. Later on, we added thread execution logic. Inside the thread run method provided by the lambda expression, there is a loop that prints thread is running. Okay. In each iteration and that thread is running in each iteration and sleep for 1 second. Okay. Later on, if the thread is interrupted during sleep, it will catch the interrupted exception and prints a message thread interrupted and exiting gracefully. Okay. Now in the main thread, after waiting for 5 seconds, it interrupts the my thread. It interrupts the my thread by calling the my thread dot interrupt method. Okay. And at the last, the thread catches the interrupted exception. At the last, thread catches the interrupted exception, prints a message, and exits the loop gracefully. Okay. It also prevents the interrupted status of the thread by calling the thread dot current Sorry friends, I have not write the code for that method. So let's do write code for that. So friends, to preserve the interrupted status, I have to write one code line here with by calling the current thread and interrupt method in the thread class. Okay. So after line number 16, I have to add that code here. I will have to add that. So let's do add that thread dot current thread current thread dot interrupt semicolon. And friends, so this will preserve the interrupted status. Okay, friends. So friends, this example demonstrates how to interrupt a thread and gracefully handle the interruption. Okay. So it's time to get the output to the console. It's time to run our code. So let's run our code. So friends, here I have made one error. I have forget to write the code for main thread continues after the interrupting my thread. Okay. So so let's write code to print this line. Main thread continues after interrupting my thread. Okay. So let's pass the message main thread continues. Main thread continues after interrupting my thread. Okay. Fine friends. Save the code. Now friends, let's run our code. So friends, here is our output. Thread interrupted, exiting gracefully, thread is running. Main thread continues after interrupting my thread. Okay. So friends, in this way, we can interrupt a thread in Java. So this is all about interrupting a thread in Java. Please do like, share, comment. Please do like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel Code GP. Please help to grow my channel. Please add value to my. Please, please add value to my. Uh, please add value to my videos by subscribing to my channel. Keep coding, happy coding. Thank you for watching the video.